Hi, welcome back. I'm Slava, and today I would like to share with you how I make compound butter, which is herb-flavored butter. You can flavor it up with anything you have growing in your garden. Right now I have spring herbs, things like ramps, chives, and garlic chives growing in abundance in my garden. So I decided to use them and make this flavorful compound butter. So I harvested my herbs fresh from the garden and also let the butter become room temperature so it's easier to work with. This is my favorite brand of butter called Kerrygold. I get it at Costco and it's just so much better than other brands I have tried. So if you're looking for a good butter that tastes just like it's supposed to taste, give this one a try. I like to chop my herbs really tiny, so after chopping one time I like to go with the knife and give it more chopping because I want it to be really small pieces. And even though the butter is slightly salted, I like to add just a bit more salt and some freshly ground pepper. And then you have to mix it in, incorporate all of the herbs and salt and pepper into the butter, and that's it. It's not a hard thing to do, but it is so much better than just regular butter. And I like to use plastic wrap to give the butter a log shape. So you just have to be careful not to touch the butter with your hands and use the plastic wrap from all sides. You can make it flatter or more round. It's up to you, whatever shape you like. But personally, I find this shape to be more convenient to use because I don't have to unwrap the whole thing if I want to get just a little bit of butter. And you can store this butter in the fridge or you can freeze it for later use. But I find that it doesn't last that long in the fridge. We eat it. And another flavor that you can do is lemon zest and basil. They pair really nice together. So you just follow the same instructions and mix it in. And in the end, you can decorate your compound butter with some edible flowers. Right now in my garden, I have a lot of different pansies blooming and primroses. So I harvested those and decorated my butter with them. So not just it tastes great, it also looks awesome as well. Have you ever tried compound butter? If yes, what flavors did you make it with? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.